Hello, I'm Jason Diodati. I teach Energy and Power Technology CTE pathway at Templeton High School. And over the last couple of weeks, we got together with Grid Alternatives and PGE, and they've been teaching my students about solar power installation. And it's been a great couple of weeks in the classroom where they've been mapping out solar arrays on houses and planning out the wattage of the panels and cost, and then looking at community outreach. And now for the culmination of this project, we're out here in San Miguel and we're installing a solar panel array, and the students are getting really good hands-on experience. I'm up here on the roof learning how to install solar panels. And it's just been a really tremendous experience for hands-on career technical education.
So we install solar exclusively for low-income families. Working with affordable housing providers like People's Self-Help Housing, we are able to give solar to low-income families to help them save money on their energy bills.
So I think my favorite thing about being out here with Grid is being able to meet with everybody and kind of learning their backgrounds and what part they are on the team. Because in the classroom we got to meet with them and talk with them, but now we get to see them in their element, which is pretty cool. And just making the connections with the people, and I mean the hands-on experience is really great, but actually meeting others that are interested in kind of similar things is pretty cool.
A big part of why we do this is to help students find a career that they might really be passionate about, a career that's good for their community, and in an industry that's growing really fast right now.
So I'm definitely seeing very interested in science and very interested in working with their hands. They're going to be great assets to our community when they graduate, and they already are.
It's been really great learning new things and having a teacher who's willing to bring us opportunities like this.
Proud to be a teacher with Grid Alternatives, teaching these students the curriculum that we've established every day, learning to site visit, design, and install solar systems, developing the skills that will make them competent on the job throughout their careers, learning skills that will empower them to be equitable and confident, inclusive of all people, making positive impacts on the environment, and learning skills that they can take with them the rest of their lives in any career they choose. And we are proud to provide that opportunity to all people.
Yeah, just a minute ago, they were engaged in a conversation about the difference between potential energy, chemical energy, and kinetic energy, and the applications of those concepts to what we're doing here today with the solar installation. So yes, I'm definitely seeing the application of the academic knowledge that they're gaining in the classroom to the physical world and to the work they're doing out here today.
I'd like to highlight how thankful we are to have PG&E's support with paying for this program for these Templeton High School students. Anytime the business community can get involved with career technical education, it's such a huge help and provides so much opportunity to the students.
And make sure that we're structurally supporting the rails that are going to hold the panels. So right now she's snapping those channel nuts into the side channel of the rails, and what's awesome is they have channels that are adjustable, so we can raise the height. That's going to allow for more ventilation underneath the solar panels. Just like all of your computers, all your Xboxes, all electrical appliances work better when it has some ventilation. Perfect day like this where it's 70, 75 degrees and we're getting perfect sun with no clouds. This is a perfect day for solar.
But it's beyond anything you can learn in the classroom. You really get the hands-on experience, and because you always talk about like I want to be an engineer or I want to work in this field, and you don't get the real experience in the classroom that you will like if you work out here. And sure, this is like a nonprofit, but even through that, I mean, you could end up working for Grid or do something in that line, and the education you get is really, it's quality education.